Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing radioactivity and the nuclear atom question 31 to 35, paper 15054. Let's start. Question 31. An isotope is radioactive and has a half-life of 7 years. So what is half-life? Half-life क्या होती है? Half-life is the amount of time, जितना time लगता है जो required होता है for half of the radioactive atoms in that specific sample जो होगा आपका to undergo radioactive decay, right? A sample initially contains 0.16 kgs. So basically, in the sample, for the sample to reduce to half of its original, what do you call it, value, उसको कितना time लगेगा? 7 years लगेंगे. How long will the sample contain 0.002 kilograms? So first of all, we have to calculate how many half-lives has this sample gone through. तो सबसे पहले हम 0.0016 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से. We will get 0.008. तो हमने इसको एक दफा 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया. तो हम इसको फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. We will get 0.004. And if we divide this by 2 again, we'll get 0.0002. So what this is showing us is that half life कितनी दफा जानी चाहिए, कितनी दफा half life required होगी in order for it to reach the value of 0.002 kilograms. 0002 kilograms. It will need 3 cycles of half life. मतलब पहले ये 0.016 था, फिर ये हुआ 0.0008 आफ्टर 7 years, फिर ये 7 years के उसके 7 years के बाद हुआ 0.00004 और उसके बाद फिर से 7 years के बाद हुआ 0.0002. तो हर साइकिल के बाद +7 years आ रहा है, राइट? +7 years आ रहा है हर साइकिल के बाद, राइट? तो यहाँ 7 आ गया, यहाँ की 7 एडिशन आ गई और यहाँ की 7 एडिशन आ गई. तो इन टोटल दिस विल बी 7 + 7 + 7 विच विल बी 21. आप इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं द नंबर ऑफ हाफ लाइफ, द नंबर ऑफ हाफ लाइफ इनटू द टाइम, I mean into the half life. So that will be equal to the number of years. Yeah. So yeah. Question 32. What is the definition of half-life of a radioactive element? अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि what is half-life? अभी आगे याद करने की कोशिश करो. A पढ़ो पहले. Half of the time it takes for one atom to decay, that doesn't make sense. Half of the time it takes for the all of the atoms to decay in that sample. Nope. The time taken for half of the atom. So the time taken for the nuclear. So that straight away filters out all the answers. The half-life is the amount of time it requires for the radioactive atoms in that specific जो आपका sample होगा to undergo radioactive decay and turn out as an isotope and shit. So yeah, the time it takes for half of the atoms in that sample to decay. Acha ji, this comes a very easy question. Question 33. Which row shows the atomic structure of a neutral atom? So he has mentioned neutral atoms. न्यूट्रल एटम्स और उसके न्यूक्लियर नंबर है 9. सो न्यूट्रल एटम्स में क्या होगा? न्यूट्रल एटम्स में हमने देखना है कि उसका जो प्रोटॉन नंबर है दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर. सो दैट इज व्हाट अ न्यूट्रल एटम इज. सो इधर हमें नजर आ रहा है कि इसका जो प्रोटॉन नंबर है इट इज इक्वल टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर. प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर दोनों इक्वल है. So therefore B is the straight away answer. But we have to also consider one other thing, that the nucleon number of 9 should be present. So nucleon number is equal to the number of proton plus the number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons will be equal to nucleon number. So yeah, if we add these two values, will we get 9? Of course we will. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So yeah, let's move on. Question 34. A neutral atom of boron contains 5 electrons and 5 protons. The nuclear number, mass number of the atom is 11. How many neutrons are there in the atoms? The neutron will be calculated using the nuclear number minus the proton number. But nuclear number क्या है? We have the number 11 और minus proton number क्या हमारे पास 5. So that will straight away give us the answer of 6. 6 will be C. So yeah. Question 35. A proton has charge Q and mass m. What is the change and what is the mass of an alpha particle? The mass of an alpha particle will be, the alpha particle contains two protons and two neutrons. So the mass will be 4m, and only since only the protons contain charge, the charge will be 2q. So the answer will be C, and that comprises of this five questions. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.